Welcome back to Mucho Caffeino Crypto Analysis, where I squeeze a 10-minute analysis into under a minute. If you take a look at Bitcoin, you notice you finally got the breakout I've been talking about. I said we were going to go down to 42K before we get the big recovery pump, but it actually happened when we hit 43K, which is still okay. We're still just as bullish as we would have been. I thought we would have gotten a more exciting move and potentially gotten a lower entry price, but that's totally fine. I'm still doing really well, and I'm excited how the group is performing right now. You see, we can finally get out of this correction, and we're going to continue up. Now, we're going to continue up for 6 to 10 days, and I can tell that's going to happen because we have a bullish reversal on the stochastic oscillator. Now that we have a full reset into oversold territory on the stochastic, that means there's been a shift in momentum, and momentum is turning up. We're going to get 6 to 10 days on bullish action on BTC, which is going to take us back to all-time highs, potentially above 60K, and maybe even to 75K, which is a 3618 Fibonacci extension target for wave 3 back from the original bull run. If you take a look at the lower time frames, you'll also notice additional things, like, for instance, we broke above an important trend line resistance right now. We're holding above that. If you look at the 4-hour, we also have the Ichimoku cloud. Now we're sitting in the Ichimoku cloud, and once we close above that, we're going to be wide open to run to 60K and above.